Hi students, welcome to the second day of remote instruction. Just a reminder about remote learning essentials. Please make sure you have your camera on so we know you're actually paying attention in class and to prepare you for the final exam. And also please make sure you practice self-advocacy by communicating your needs. For today's do now, please complete the Google form. This will be the second warm-up on proportional relationships to see what you understand. Feel free to use paper, pencil, or whiteboard marker to solve the problems. You'll have 8 minutes to work on this. For today's objectives, content I can review for finals. Language I can comprehend Edpuzzles if needed for any problems that I did incorrectly on the Google form. And social objective I can actively engage in the Edpuzzles, IXLs, or final exam study guide problems. There is one new social objective today, and that is I can successfully complete the final exam practice run. So we're going to be practicing how to take the final exam on Monday and Tuesday next week. As for today's agenda, we'll go over the final exam practice run, then the participation guide, followed by after-school support, tech tutorials, and remote learning schedule. So, today in class, we'll be practicing taking the final exam. Please make sure you read all these instructions, 1 through 6, and let me know when you're ready to take the practice run final exam. You will receive a link in the Zoom chat. Please make sure you have your camera on at all times and I can see both hands. When you are done, please make sure you submit your work on Google Classroom. There's an assignment, and that assignment is called 19.2 Practice Final Exam Practice Run. It's under classwork. 19.2 Final Exam Practice Run. It's a very straightforward assignment. It just lets me know that you understand how to take the final exam. Now that you've had some practice with the final exam, getting ready for the final exam, we're going to look at the Google Forms, and as a reminder, for any problems that you have incorrect, you want to work on that specific problem on the Edpuzzle and IXL. So you can see in problem 1, I did solving proportions word problem incorrectly. So that means I will look at the Edpuzzle for solving proportions word problem and then do the IXL after that and try to reach a score 50. When I'm done with those two, find the next problem that you did incorrectly on the Google form and then do the Edpuzzle and IXL as well. Then you can work on the study guide for proportional relationships section. So you saw earlier that I made solving proportions word problem incorrect. I'll click on this link, but I need to click on the link through my Google Classroom account. Otherwise, it won't let me answer the questions on the Edpuzzle. So I'll look under classwork, week 19, and I got solving proportions word problem incorrect. So I click on that Edpuzzle through the Google Classroom so I can answer the questions. Then I go to IXL and do those problems that score up to 50. You'll show it to me in class. If you did not get a chance to show it in class, make sure you take screenshots of both the Edpuzzle and the IXL and submit it on Google Classroom as evidence. As a reminder, all this week and Monday to Tuesday next week, there will be after-school support to get you ready for the final exam or for you to turn in any missing assignments or get help. Next Wednesday, Thursday, Friday will be asynchronous days, so there will not be after-school support. It's the same exact Zoom link, and we'll not be accepting students after 4:10. Whether you're a tutor or a learner, you can earn extra credit. Please make sure you understand the tech tutorials, especially how to scan your work and submit it on Google Classroom. There's a link to a video so you know how to do that. That's what the whole final exam practice run was for, to get you ready to learn how to take the final exam and submit it on Google Classroom. again, just a reminder, this is the remote learning schedule. Only adjustment is Wednesday is also asynchronous learning. Should you have any questions, please don't hesitate to reach out, and take care.